Sichuan fine arts, where the colors sing. Every building's gotta sing, murals high and murals low. It's an art show on the go. Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color, this place is like no other. Walk down the lane, see art at play. Brushes in hand, they paint all day. From the walls to the doors, even the floors, creativity here soars. Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color, this place is like no other. Walk down the lane, see art at play. Brushes in hand, they paint all day. From the walls to the doors, even the floors, creativity here soars. Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color, this place is like no other. There's this and there's that, and there's that one there too. Every step you take, there's something new. A rainbow of this and that in every hue. At Sichuan Fine Arts, they got talent. Ain't the whole place gallant? Their wall shout out, take a photo of me. Oh yeah, I think I will. Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color, this place is like no other. So come on down, take a stroll. Let the colors capture your soul. In Sichuan Fine Arts, where the walls sing, you'll find coolness in everything.
So you got this really cool wall right here. So the Sichuan University of Fine Arts is to the left of us, and I believe straight ahead. And this is Graffiti Street. And there's actually this like new stuff happening constantly, including, you know, new stuff to notice. So I'm going to walk down Graffiti Street and try to capture it and go all the way down to the train station as well. If you go up, you can see apartments. And anyways, we're gonna go down Graffiti Street. All right, Sichuan Arts. This is kind of like a graffiti street, real interesting area. Let's put this up on the map. And this is actually 39 of 39 videos of Chongqing. So I'm gonna finish the set. I won't have any more Chongqing to upload, but I'll probably go back to Chongqing again and get some more footage because it's a really cool city. Really love it a lot. With no further ado, let's just get right into the walk and talk time, and you can see it as if you were there yourself. Chongqing. So it's kind of cool. I'm just going to come in here real quick. That's some nice footage. Okay, so what we're going to do is kind of come around, and then we're going to go down our street. We just have a lot of cool artwork everywhere, including this one, which I think is the name of the street in Chinese, I think. Huangjueping Art Street. So yeah, it's good that we get the main part of it anyways. Okay. So actually, I guess you could go up there as well. We're gonna capture. So we got this little space there. Then we have this whole little wall right here. And I think they're getting paint or braids. So I think they're gonna do some painting along this little space. So you'll see that theme as well. Because this all has big pieces of paint. Like you can tell it's painted over and over and over multiple times. The siren is a little bit disturbing. The other thing that's interesting too is, you know, these shops could change in the future. Let's have all these steps as well, right? Yeah, it's kind of deep, vibrant colors. Let's go underneath. So we're going to continue down. Okay, so we keep on walking down our target street. You can see up above too, so I think you could actually go up to that second story and see some of the artwork as well. Slow down, 30 kilometers only. Let's see if we can go through. Kind of a rainy day here. So now we can see these little things like 1954, 1956. And I don't know the references. I don't know if that's related to, I just don't know. I don't know the meaning. Maybe somebody can tell me. Is that a fire hydrant? No, it's something different. It's gotta be something different. You can charge your batteries pretty much everywhere in China, Chongqing. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go all the way down to the train station, going down this art street, kind of seeing my last art video of the street. I did a few other ones, but I'm only here once, and every time you film, you notice something a little bit different. Different people walk by, different things kind of stick out at you. But yeah, so we're kind of on the riverside. We're in Chongqing, and we're at an arts university. And this is Graffiti Street, and actually I've seen this in Instagram and other places. So I came out and I filmed a few videos today out on the street, kind of meandering about. But now I'm going to get on the train and navigate to another part of Chongqing. And I thought I would just film this one more time before I go. I definitely will come back to Chongqing, 100%. But I just I just don't know when. But I'll come back here again when I do, and see how it changes. And actually, I was here 5 years ago, and I do have a videos from that 5 years ago, and it'll be interesting to review it. But I didn't film it quite like this time, because I was more newer to the channel, so I just kind of did like a exploration type of video. Okay. So we're gonna head all the way to the train. And this is actually a pretty good street just to photograph, but it's also a good street to buy paint. And you can see people will paint kind of anything and everything around here. So you can see that on the walls. And I think that's like stuff you could buy for paint. Then you can see there's like layer and layer and layer of paint. There's another one as well. You can get some milk tea while you do it. More charging stations for your cell phones in case you Instagram so much that you just batteries out. And you can see just layers and layers and layers. And I touched one earlier and I got paint on my finger. It was so much. Okay, so now we're going to we're coming to the end of our street. And I'm going to go all the way down to the train station next. And I was going to show you, so even outside of the graffiti street, which they call it, there's also artwork on the buildings like this one, and you'll see themes kind of throughout. And we're actually going to go on that side in a minute towards the train station, but before we do, you can see some of the artwork on the sides and kind of throughout. Pretty cool space. Huangjueping Art Street is the name of it. And I guess I'm going to come over here and we're gonna check out this side as well, and then we're gonna go up to the train station. And I'm gonna come over to this artwork over here real quick. And I can also see some of the artwork on this side too, including the big wall right there. And this, of course, just kind of what I wanted to capture a little bit. Very cool. So cool. Yeah, Chongqing has a lot of cool art. Actually, I really like the city a lot. Not just like not just a lot, but like a lot. And it's not just here, but it is here. This is definitely a place that will probably have like tons and tons of tourists in the future. There's our train station right there, Sichuan Fine Arts Institute station. So there's a train station that takes you right here. It's a public toilet over there, which kind of implies that the public does want to come and check it all out. Yeah, actually it's somebody's yelling over there. Oh, they're fighting. And it's always entertaining in Sichuan, and they're really fighting a lot. But there was I was reading something about, you know, this hot food and people have hot spice to them, I guess, something like that. Anyways, don't know the dispute behind that one. But nonetheless, I'm in a really cool spot, and this is a cool city, and actually the people are super cool too. So I've been interacting with locals, and they're just so helpful and kind, and they always help out strangers, and if you get lost, they'll help you out. Anyways, we're gonna go all the way up to the train station. We're just kind of capturing some of the artwork before we go. Including this, you can see these buildings from this angle as well. So very, very cool. See if we can go around like this. Now we're gonna go right towards the train station, which is right there, Sichuan Fine Arts Institute. And it looks like we're on line 18. Kind of curious if there's any art that's in the train itself. I guess we'll find out in a moment. Okay. So I'm going to keep the camera on briefly while I go down towards. Looks remarkably clean, and I wonder if in another time period they'll give out licenses or issues to paint and design this escalator. I bet they will. So I'm going to capture this in 2024 without it, when it hasn't been brought up or discussed or hasn't happened yet. I'm sure somebody's mentioned that they should commission it out for art. Anyways, we go all the way down to the train station. And that was the exit right there. Okay, down at the train station, and luckily it's not so crowded. There's hardly anybody down here compared to other stations. It's nice. Nice green line as well. Sichuan Fine Arts Institute.
From the walls to the doors, even the floors, creativity here soars. Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint.